You may no longer need to go to a photo studio or pay photographers to get a clean and professional birthday shoot done, because now AI can help you get clean professional shots in seconds. So whether you want to do a photo shoot for your birthday, a professional headshot that you can use for your social media DP, or even a pregnancy photo shoot, all of that can be achieved with AI to the extent that the image can look exactly like you. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about this tool that you can use to achieve this, and it is called Nano Banana, a state-of-the-art image generation model developed by Google. And without wasting your time, let's quickly get into showing you how to achieve the results that you have seen on my screen so far. But before we go, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, please hit on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out when I post similar videos just like this one. And on this channel, we talk about how to make money online, a whole lot on sales, marketing, and advertising, and also how to use certain tools to achieve easier and more efficient lifestyle. So the first thing to do is to come to Google and type in aistudio.google.com. For you, it may first of all take you to a search result. On the first search result, then it will bring you to this type of interface. Then you have to select try Nano Banana. Alright, so they have different models, but Nano Banana happens to be the latest model of Google's AI image generator. The consistency is one of my favorite parts. This is the tool that we currently use at Smart Skills Media to generate powerful ad videos for our clients. But what we first of all do is to generate the still images inside of this tool and then animate them with another AI tool. So you can actually use this tool to generate powerful and professional looking ad videos for your product or services. But if you need somebody to help you to do it, say you don't know how to go about structuring it, we can actually help you. So you can go to the link in the description of this video. Our website URL is there. You can just visit our website and then place a booking to get yours done. The very first thing you want to do before generating your image is to write your prompt. All right, and if you don't know how to structure your prompt, you can go to ChatGPT. All right, so you can come to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT what you want to do and then ask it to generate a prompt for you. Now, for instance, this is what I did. So I came to ChatGPT and I wrote this prompt. I said, act as a professional photographer with over 3 years of experience and write a prompt for a professional photo shoot using Google's state-of-the-art image generator called Nano Banana. I will be uploading my original photo so it can maintain consistency with my face. I want you to describe a photo studio with a subject dressed in white two-piece suit and seated on a yellow sofa in the studio. Describe the lighting and the camera angle. So you can see that the prompt that ChatGPT gave me is really detailed, and I'm going to be copying the prompt and pasting it into Nano Banana, and you would see how professional looking my image is going to come out. So ChatGPT was able to give me the settings, the wardrobe, the pose and props, lighting, camera angle, mood and tone, and everything. So I'm just going to simply copy it right here, and then I'll come to this place that says generate an image of a banana wearing it. So this is the chart, right? This is where you get to place your prompt, but I'm going to delete this one, right? But then we need to also upload our own image because we want this tool to use our face in creating this professional photo shoot. All right, so what we're going to simply do is to click on this plus button here and then click on upload a file, and then you're now going to be uploading your preferred image from your device. So make sure that the image you're going to be uploading is a clear picture of you that is showing your face clearly, right? So I'm going to be selecting any picture. So let's say I want to use this one right here. I'll tick on it and then I'm going to click on add, and then the picture will get downloaded to Nano Banana, and then you can enter your prompt. So I'm going to simply paste the prompt that I copied from ChatGPT, and then I'm going to click on enter. So if there is anything that you feel ChatGPT hasn't described in the prompt that it gave you, of course you can look at it and then make the tweak by yourself. All right, so you can come here and then click on this yellow button for it to start generating. All right, so you can see now that it's counting, and within seconds our image is going to be ready. And here is our image. So you can see how clean and professional looking it is, and you can see how that it maintained my face, right? There is no, so if somebody who doesn't know that this is AI looks at it, they are actually going to be thinking that it is me. Then another thing you can actually do is to edit this. Maybe you want to change the color of your dressing, or you want to change something that you don't like. Maybe you want your legs to show and all of that. You can just go on to just continue the charts, right? So let's say we want to change this my dress, right, to maybe a blue jacket or something. So I can just say something like change the blazer change the blazer to sky blue. All right, so it's going to be doing that for you, because another thing with this tool is that it understands native language, meaning that it understands simple language. So let's click on this yellow button again and wait for it to generate, and boom, we have our image generated with another color of blazer without any change to the facial expression. But then if you want the facial expression to be a bit different, you can also describe that as well. All right, so I think I love this a lot. Okay, now another thing you can actually do is, if you've seen an image of someone, maybe like a certain photo shoot that somebody did, and you want to describe yours that way, like you just want the same pose, the same attire and everything, you can actually just upload the image here and then upload your own image. All right, so let's say for instance that I already have this image, right, like I already have this chart going on with Nano Banana. What I'm going to do is to upload the image and then tell it to replace that image or that post of me with that other image that I just uploaded, and it is going to go on to do that for you. So after you're done, all you simply need to do is to click on it, and you can now go on to download it and then share it wherever you want to share it. Now this logo right here, you may not be able to remove it, but if you want to share it on maybe Instagram or maybe Facebook, you can just crop it out. All right, so just come here, tap on it, and then click on the download button right here, and it's going to go on to download it. Okay, I believe you've now learned how to use this AI tool to get clean professional shoots for your birthday or for any occasion. Go to the comment section and let me know if you're going to be trying this tool right away. And I'd also like to hear about your experience with this tool if you join our community on WhatsApp. So we have a community on WhatsApp, a growing community of eager learners, and you can join by going to the description of this video and clicking on the link to the community. If you're yet to be subscribed to this channel, please hit on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on similar tutorials just like this one. And like I said in the course of the tutorial, if you're interested in getting professional video ads for your product or service, you can also check us out on our website and book to get yours done. And if you're also looking for somebody to help you manage and optimize sponsored ads on Meta, Google, or other social media platforms, this is what we do at Smart Skills Media. We take care of sponsored ads, we also do video production and a whole lot more. You can come through to us and we will further the conversation on WhatsApp or via my email. Thank you very much, and this is where we'll draw the curtain on this tutorial, and I'll see you on the next one.